We are down by one bottle of peach iced tea, and we decided to get one more. So it's cousin's day out. We're going to Bharti City Mall to stroll around. It's so pretty. Can't believe we're out because my cousin's dad let her out. It's basically Abba nahi manenge.
Actually,
But
all my friends thought Abba nahi manenge.
But he actually did agree to it. So we just entered at golden hour time, and look how pretty these flowers are. I rarely see orange flowers, but so pretty, so Christmassy. Oh my gosh! Our height difference. Oh my god. Let's go. So we have first decided to go to Miniso and Tiny Mo, and then we'll be going to. We'll take the lift. Okay, fine. We'll walk through the escalators. Miniso, Tiny Mo, and then we have to check out Body Care.
Although I searched the entire mall, I still couldn't find Body
Care. Finally, then we're gonna go to Caventers or Desert Works. Okay, so this is outfit check. That's real. What is it? Guess, right? She paid 14K for that. Can't believe it. Okay, let's head out. I should have taken the video when nobody was there. I can't even crop out anyone else. Tiny Mo. Check out stuff. I love how everything is so cute. So pretty.
Is it a shop now?
I guess so.
Stamp.
How is everything so rainbowy?
Oh, this is
Does it say? Everything looks so cute. I feel the things here are so good that I may never end up using them after I buy it.
It is actually so cute.
That's what I'm saying. 400?
Yeah.
Never mind, I screamed that out too loud. Let's move away from 400 related things. This looks so pretty, so artistic. I love how everything is in Christmas vibes. Oh, I love Nama. Nama? Sabah told me I look like Nama.
Capybara. Yeah, you do look like a Nama.
Oh my god, Sabah got me something related like this.
Oh wait, this is actually
For my birthday, didn't I show you? It was so similar.
it's actually
No,
so cute.
but she's got me a beautiful one. Better than this. It's a butterfly themed one.
This for 900 only.
900 only?
Oh, you know there's a word crossword.
What cross? Yeah, actually, you actually cross the words in that. Oh, so cute! Sabah! That's so Sabah.
This is so Sabah.
No, that's dear Afifa. That is you. Since you watch my vlogs on your TV, that is what your bestie says you are. Whenever I am vlogging, someone has to come behind me. I saw a similar one on Savannah. Show me. See if you can smell that one last, the pretty one. Fearless. Upar. Do they have the... Oh, never mind. I like the design of the bottle. It smells really nice. It smells like expensive bathrooms. It just reminded of our BTS era. And what were you saying? There is discuss her.
But this
This is cute. Vanilla. I love vanilla. I love vanilla and musk
There's a
scents.
Barbie one.
You should get it. It's cutesy. For some reason, I have obsession with empty bottles. Yeah, I love them. I get so happy looking at them. These look so pretty. I put my petroleum jelly in this.
Oh, I thought you actually got it.
No. I put them in bottles like
You didn't come
these.
here after Eid and then you eat like
Hangers.
that.
I have obsession with hangers. Wherever I go to hangers first. This is cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. I love head massages.
Can I do this on you?
Try. This glass is so cute. They look like crystals. Look like diamonds. Oh, Toy Story.
This looks like Minna.
Yep. It's called Lulu Cathy. It's a cartoon, a rep cartoon.
I love this one.
So cute. Barbies.
So pretty. This is 1,600.
1,600.
It's actually so cute. My books are the
It looks so good with my
I
outfit.
love these Barbie tumblers. My books are the The mummy.
Girl, that's not the very best. They have like a layer in that which contaminates. I love this. I would buy this. I love the Barbie black and white collection.
I love everything.
More than the pink. Oh my god! It's going with my outfit! Oh my gosh!
Can I buy this? It's for 800. My books are the
800?
I love
This
that.
girl is so spoiled, dude. First of all, this is 14,000. Now she wants to buy this for 800 rupees.
This is only 500.
Only?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.
So cute.
I like the feel of this. This has like a cloth feel.
I'll get this one. You get this one.
You get this one?
Yeah.
ये गंदा हो जाता है जल्दी.
This one is cute.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Looks plasticky.
Yeah.
But this one, the
What is this?
texture of
So
it.
this is actually so cute.
It's an organizer.
That's for, I don't know the price.
Why are we
This
just
is
checking
500.
prices?
This is 500.
Oh, it's really nice. I should get this.
Oh, this is cute.
Keep this back. Thank you.
What about
What
the
is this?
Barbie mug?
What is it?
I don't know. It just seems so good.
It's a wireless speaker.
Oh wait, actually. Oh wait, I like this picture.
They have Harry Potter collection.
You
This
like
is
Harry-
such.
you like
such
Harry
a-
Potter?
Nope.
No, I just.
They look pretty. These, all the
I want to
bottles.
get body mist.
This is body mist?
Yeah, it's literally written.
Oh,
it's
I
like a
thought it
shimmer
looks like
one.
shower gel for some reason.
It's for 350 only. Wait, this actually.
I want to buy something from Westside.
Even
Check that
You
out.
know, there's this one really nice color changing lip balm. Not lip balm.
I wanted to get a perfume.
Oh wait, this is so.
Crunchy. Oh, see, Snow White. 15 plus. I didn't know they have masks according to ages. The Snow White face mask. I am 21
It's
above.
only 90 rupees.
Yeah, 15 plus, and that's why I don't think they have actual ingredients that's gonna like soothe your skin. Hey, we have nobody to do kisses to. No need.
What's this? Oral. Okay, oral spray for fresh.
This one is cute.
Oh yeah.
We can put toners in that.
That's. I don't know, but this is so cute actually.
But this one looks really pretty. This one, the white bottles.
No, I don't.
I
like
love
this
it.
One.
I don't like those. I just like the lip balm ones.
That looks too.
I don't like these. I don't like it.
Oh, what's this?
Cute.
Can you forward me all the clips
Okay, done.
on Snap?
Why do you want me to just watch my vlog?
No, like forward me. Like even I want.
I would keep this in my bedroom.
Like I can't literally download your vlog in my gallery.
Okay, fine. I'll send you the
It's actually so
clips.
cute.
Very adorable. I would love to keep that.
I want a pink one.
I like the purple one more. They have okayish collection of bags. It just doesn't match mine. I don't even apply mascara.
But this looks so good. I want to buy this. How much?
I don't apply makeup at all. This one looks cute.
This is so cute.
This matches my outfit. Oh my god, something is up with me.
Wait,
I'm
what's
trying
this?
to match everything.
Lash primer.
I love chain bags. Like hers, the one she's carrying. But I like the golden or the rose gold chains. I don't like the silver. They look cheap to me for some
I
reason.
like these charms.
Oh yes, same. That is why I put on the charm on my
Phone?
nope. Oh, remove it. Turn it out. There's more to it. Oh wait. See, it's so cutesy. These. Nope, the one beneath it. Yeah, I like the color of it. I have a shot of that print. So cute. I love.
I just love Christmas vibes.
Yes, I was just saying that I love Christmas
I
decor.
wanna go to London.
Even
Yeah, that's so cute.
the
Are we doing something for New Year?
what are we doing for New Year? This is the Leela Palace entry is what my cousin says. I'm not sure. It's the first time I'm coming here. Look at how pretty this wall has been done. It's so pretty. I want to do this at my apartment when I have my own house one day, inshallah. I would love to make a wall like this. I hope I have a house as big as this to make such a giant hanging garden. I was telling her I wanted to record the Christmas tree, but I look like such a creep recording it from the outside. But I love Christmas trees. I would love to live in an apartment.
She's out, then her phone looking at.
This is the inspo for my future house.
Imagine the dude who's sitting inside, he just gets angry.
He doesn't have to be angry at my inspo for my future house. Please don't be angry.
You know,
But-
my lips are so dry.
This is getting recorded in the vlog. Like the way your Narangi was recorded in the vlog. Oh, let's promote Laneige.
This is the best.
Laneige, send me PR.
Please, and you're gonna give all to me because this is my lineage.
We don't promote this.
Looks good.
For me, this one looks very appetizing.
Okay, what if we do half-half?
Ask him if we can do half.
Just kidding.
We're taking half of lemon blueberry and half of Twix. I feel like he put Twix really less.
Never mind.
I love capturing through other people's phone. So cutesy.
We'll take one more spoon.
Share one spoon. No, bad idea. We'll take one more, please.
Excuse me.
How is it? Approve?
Yeah.
Which one is better?
Let me try this one.
Taste test. This one? I told you it's good
No,
that
no,
he's
this
put
one.
more. Come on. It has a thin line between disgusting and aesthetic. Okay, never mind. I'm not bothered. Look at the raspberry. So nice. Focus. Oh, it's focusing a lot.
That looks
Bismillah.
huge over there.
Why is it becoming bright?
It actually looks just depressing.
Bend it.
Warriors.
Tilt karo, tilt.
That looks disgusting to be honest.
We have gone over and beyond. I'm feeling sad.
You don't need to, you know.
I'm low on energy.
It's fine, you know.
I want to cry.
It's fine, you can.
So sweet. She's pulling this out for me. Oh, woman giving better princess treatment. Okay, we're gonna do taste test of the peach iced tea. For some reason, it looks more like oolong tea for me.
What tea?
Oolong tea. I used to drink that back in Malaysia. You know the boba challenge that people do that thingy? Like
Yeah.
that.
That's not possible. Oh wait, it is.
Yep.
I just can't. Sorry.
Let's do taste test. The pricing will be more.
Buy another one big.
Yeah.
Let's do this because it's so good. I'm genuinely addicted.
We are down by one bottle of peach iced tea, and we decided to get
Second.
one more
Can I
because
put this
so
in your
good. Yep, down. Lens before. This smells so nice. This is one of my favorite Kashmir and praline. I think it's praline. This one is the second one. The first one has to be London. This smells so good. It's my favorite. But I love West Side's perfume collection. It's so worth it. I love how pretty this is. It gives Kashmiri vibes. This is something like those Pakistani actresses. I'm gonna beep the word out. The actresses from our neighboring countries. I always do that. So cute.
It's so chunky, right? Can I show you looks?
No. Halal.
I hope it doesn't become like too chatak wala.
I like the noise of it.
Yeah,
the
and it's so
sound of it.
chunky and it's so soft on your lips. Yeah.
Everything goes well with the outfit. We are down with the second bottle.
Yes.
Tired. Done and dusted. We're gonna go to West Side, check that out, and head home.
Let's go.
They're so cute. They get to have a mini honeymoon.
Who? Her parents?
So we decided to stroll around the park. I wanna like have a nice romantic walk with my cousin sister. Oh my God. It looks so nice, so pretty.